ProByLas. Laser plastic welding. Increase productivity with a rotary table.
Hi, we are on the Equiplast exhibition here and demonstrating on Turnkey S. With the rotary table, one can already put a new sample once the other one is welded inside. So I will remove here the sample, put the new one, start the process. Can now already remove that one and put the next foil. With the rotary table, the big advantage is while one part is welded inside, one can already introduce and put the next sample.